lesson, though I hate the pain. My heart's investment surely left a stain. You chose your weapon, nearly hit a vein, but I can see sadness in you. You thought I was coming back, that's a no. You were always getting mad for control. I won't fall into a trap that you sow. I've been going back to black like before. I won't be the reason why your heart broke. Even though my love is icy, that's cold. She ain't met nobody like me before. And I belong to somebody like me, not like you.
I'm gon' make you act up today. I'm gon' make you wish you never left. But it all comes falling upside down. You reenact up today. You gon' make me wish we never met. But it all comes falling upside down. You reenact.
Good luck. Hey, you see, my mama told me not to trust a daddy like you. I had to learn it by myself, can't live vicariously through. I know the sunshine doesn't shine the same when I'm gone. It's been a long time since you was waiting for me at home. But look, I'm back inside the city where you did me that wrong. Although I let you go, I can't let go of venomous songs. I know it's been a long year and you done shed tears, and I've been super gone, you getting close to my peers, and you can't seem to catch a break. Cause every single catch you had, you just let them get away. I'm gon' make your mental break. Cause every single catch you had beside me, you could still replace.
I'm gon' make you act up today. I'm gon' make you wish you never left. But it all comes falling upside down. You reenact up today. You gon' make me wish we never met. But it all comes falling upside down. You reenact up today. I'm gon' make you wish you never left. But it all comes falling upside down. You reenact up today. You gon' make me wish we never met. But it all comes falling upside down. You mumbling.
I need Zaza and some rest to keep me centered. Backwoods in my lungs like a splinter. Shorty thinks she go because she glimmers. I know shorty thick, but look, my pockets ain't no thinner. I'm not another nigga. I just woke up in the morning and the hills was kinda foggy. Come get these demons off me. I've been round the world and back again. I ran from life, came back again. Thank God we have a Walgreens, cause these prescriptions got me making sense. I swear this air is not as dense, and I'm no longer craggy. But if you take away my medicine, the vibes no longer heaven sent. In fact, I'm done through talking, cause I need Zaza and some rest to keep me centered. Backwoods in my lungs like a splinter. Shorty thinks she go because she glimmers. I know shorty thick, but look, my pockets ain't no thinner. I'm not another nigga.
I was looking for the tree man the other day, and he was kind of distant from me. You know, he wasn't acting the same. He a little unusual. He said the prices was a little higher today. He only had Zaza and some runs. My favorite.
All these ashes on my tongue cause I've been talking. You left me heartbroken. All the times you did me wrong, that shit was broken. deep emotions. I'm a walking, ticking bomb, I'm quite explosive. It be really hard to focus, that's why I need some rest to keep me centered. Backwoods in my lungs like a splinter. Shorty thinks she go because she glimmers. I know shorty thick, but look, my pockets ain't no thinner. She did me wrong. Now I keep singing the same old song. Ooh, I should've known, all alone should've known. But I'll keep on going. Yeah, I met you back when I was backpacking out in LA. Ain't need no love, I need a home to escape. 7 people in a 2-bedroom, got dead soon, they left crew. But it still didn't chase me away, I was the reason you stayed. Who put that innocent little look on your face? I like games, but not the ones that you play. I seen you changing everything, you did divided the space. Am I to blame? My name in vain, I see the hate on your face. That's why that's all I can say. She did me wrong. Now I keep singing the same old song. Ooh, I should've known, all alone should've known. But I'll keep on going. Look, I haven't heard from you, little shorty, since I left Golden Gate. We used to fuck, it wasn't much, we ain't have nothing to break. But I can see you wanting more, the words appear on your face. I'm always up, you always down, now we in 2 different states. I hope you find yourself, and when you do, don't tarnish your soul. Cause I done made it through the pain, and that's the reason I glow. We had a thing, and that's the only thing we both couldn't hold. I mean, I would've held her down, but I'm just letting her go. Because she did me wrong. Now I keep singing the same old song. Ooh, I should've known, all alone should've known. But I'll keep on going. We can't go through this ourselves. Cause I'm exhausted and you're exhausted and we need help. We can hardly save ourselves. Cause we get nauseous and easily caught sick in love as well. You won't go through none of this alone. I'm just a number on your phone. Oh wait, won't you stay? You won't go through none of this alone. I'll turn my heart into a home today. Won't you stay? About your love, but I can't think of the words to speak. I've said enough. I'll stop you from slipping up when your energy is quite torn to pieces, all because you run around and lie to my mental. You like to talk about what you've been through. If only love was really that simple. If only I could get what I want to, baby. You talk about how I wasn't gentle. You like to sit around like you're judge proof. If only love was really that simple. If only love was really like that still, baby. You won't go through none of this alone. I'm just a number on your phone. Away, won't you stay? You won't go through none of this alone. I'll turn my heart into a home today. Won't you stay? I bought a flower for your sister and your mama too. See, they don't like me cause my face filled with tattoos. Your daddy like him, he just don't like you with black dudes. Because I'm quiet, they thinking I'm giving attitude. Who am I to tell the truth and lies apart? They lie when they start and then they lie when finishing off. I want your momentarily infinity love. I think forever's in a second. I get scared if you rush, so slow it down, would you? Could you please suffer now, would you? Could you please just for me though? If you'll never start, there's no finito, nice and evil. I done been injecting with a needle, say, why are you so unable to fall in love and be stable? I break hearts like ckso. At least when you with me, it's all paid for. I'm sorry, Mrs. Jackson, I don't got nothing to say. I've been rubbing on your daughter, probably out in Golden Gate. She say, don't you get her caught up in some shit she can't escape. I don't know how your girl was brought up, but she here with me today. So I'm just sorry, Mrs. Jackson. I'm sorry, Mrs. Sorry, Mrs. Jackson. I'm sorry, Mrs. I was tripping on the mountain, smoking bleezy with the sun. We often spoke about the moon and how he's never seen no one. Sometimes I step into the world, cause lately I've been so outside. I'm so outside, let's show the mind. So when I touch it, it's divine. I keep emotions to the side, that's why they hardly on my side. Can't break your heart, but you'll break mine. I watch a movie all the time, we fucking lagging, mad and crying. And we wonder why we tried a lot of sentimental, monumental moments made me vibe. You're chosen, you're the one that made me this way. For you I would've fell on my face. It's funny how the love can bring hate. I'm glad you stayed away, you're frozen. There's a different look on my face. I could make the sky turn gray. She wish we could vibe all day, but I'm gon' fade away. So I'm sorry, Mrs. Jackson, I don't got nothing to say. I've been rubbing on your daughter, probably out in Golden Gate. She say, don't you get her caught up in some shit she can't escape. I don't know how your girl was brought up, but she here with me today. So I'm just sorry, Mrs. Jackson. I'm sorry, Mrs. Sorry, Mrs. Jackson. I'm sorry, Mrs. Space, how high are you? Too break my vibe. I'm skating on the thinnest ice with you.
Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me. Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me.
Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me. I just wanted you to see that I'll be there if you needed me. I just wanted you to be that person that I knew you could be. Teach you something, I'll set you free. Don't talk about you and I or we. I'm nonchalant, I'd rather leave in peace. I'm nonchalant, I'd rather peel off. In Golden Gate, we had a falling out. Let's talk about how we ain't talk it out. Coulda did all the little drama, but you petty head, this shit done cost a lot. Why the hell you ain't deceiving me? Why the hell you had to lie? Made me feel like I ain't never did you right.
Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me. Girl, I'm about to come break your heart.
Your heart is mine for sure, babe.
For the pain you
Your
gave to me.
heart is broken. Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me.
Girl, I'm about to come break your heart. For the love and for the pain you gave to me.
Yo, I like smoking weed, you like cigarettes. I like being free, and you like the internet. Deny, deny, deny. I guarantee that pretty smile ain't what they like. You'll never see the days of you and I. Smoking weed, and you like cigarettes. I like being free, and you like the internet. Terry, I'm looking like what you afraid of. She gon' bust it open like the devil tryna persuade us. I was in the avenue to the dip into you later. Bitch, I'm from the Golden Gate where the mental games were major. So don't you think to lie to me. I'm vibing in honestly ugly to see the phone that you touching as if it's doing you something. You settle for likes and I hardly settle for nothing. Better your life, I'm betting it off of the hundreds. Would you believe the fact that people kill themselves for stats in person? They be hiding in the back. Turn on your location, I'ma find you where you at. Get out your insecurity, little Terry by the sack. I like smoking weed, you like cigarettes. I like being free, and you like the internet. Deny, deny, deny. I guarantee that pretty smile ain't what they like. You'll never see the days of you and I. Smoking weed, and you like cigarettes. I like being free, and you like the internet. Deny, deny. She wanna catch that flight, the one that'll change her life, the one that'll change her lips, change her tits and her height. She wanna catch that flight. To be honest, baby, I don't mind. I've been thinking about suit and ties, not so much about you and I like smoking weed, you like cigarettes. I like being free, and you like the internet. Deny, deny, deny. I guarantee that pretty smile ain't what they like. You'll never see the days of you and I. Smoking weed, and you like
get hurt. But what you said was hurtful. Left me bruised and purple. Buried my feelings in filthy dirt. Who let these demons in my circle? I ain't here to hurt you. Love lost, boy, you was my problem. Love lost, girl, you were my problem. Can't pretend I trust y'all. Been so long we gathered. I call y'all, but I don't think it matters. That's probably 'cause I've been stuck in my mental again. I've been losing all my friends, but I keep on swimming. I just keep on swimming. They've been digging my deathbed again. They keep praying I don't win, but I keep on swimming. I just keep on swimming. Would you fall? There's some anger up all in your face, and I don't wanna feel that way. We should never feel this way. Would you text, would you call? There's some sadness all over your face, and I don't wanna feel that way. We should never feel this way. I've been stuck in my mental again. I've been losing all my friends, but I keep on swimming. I just keep on swimming. They've been digging my deathbed again. They keep praying I don't win, but I keep on swimming. I just keep on swimming. I've been stuck in my mental again. I've been losing all my friends, but I keep on swimming. I just keep on swimming. They've been digging my deathbed again. They keep praying I don't win, but I keep on.
Just don't play yourself. I know you've seen it all. Oh well, I heard that you've been through it all, been through hell. But just don't play yourself. Outer space, that boy been so far away. Ain't seen you since graduation. That's right, you ain't graduate. Life won't let you levitate. Better learn how to fly with these ankle weights. I'm about to detonate. Everybody say they woke, but they ain't awake. Been a couple years since I caught a case. Had a girl back home, back in Golden Gate. But I ain't going back to Cali, nor to FLA. They be in and out of consciousness all damn day. Every half a year I gotta relocate. I gotta give you space to keep cool and keep it cordial. This isn't normal, when neither is the kid. If you gon' jump the fence, it is just what it is. But just don't play yourself. I know you've seen it all. Oh well, I heard that you've been through it all, been through hell. But just don't play yourself. Just don't play yourself. I know you've seen it all. Oh well, I heard that you've been through it all, been through hell. But just don't play yourself.
Hey, Golden Gate, young nigga kick push to your place. Told me that your mama be home by 8, but these days we do not communicate. I wonder what you're doing in this heavy moment, when you know every word cause it's yours, you own it. And you know we from the city where you vibing on it. Better keep it to yourself where it's out and open. My skin is glowing, my squad is glowing, my city glowing. Should've really held me down cause I'm floating. Wanted you to be around but that's hoping. She let go, exhale, I'm smoking. I know it gets hard but you must go hard. Just play your part, if they depart then let them part. Pump the car, push the start, trust your heart. I guarantee you'll make it far, but still
Just don't play yourself. I know you've seen it all. Oh well, I heard that you've been through it all, been through hell. But just don't play yourself. Just don't play yourself. I know you've seen it all. Oh well, I heard that you've been through it all, been through hell. But just don't play yourself. you always say bye-bye. How's life in outer space? How high are you? Two-faced, you always complicate. You tend to always break my vibe. I'm skating on the thinnest ice with you. Then I'll set you free. Don't talk about you and I or we. I'm nonchalant, I'd rather leave in peace. I'm nonchalant, I'd rather peel off. In Golden Gate, we had a falling out. Let's talk about how we ain't talk it out. Coulda did all the little drama, but your petty head, this shit done cost a lot. Why the hell you ain't deceiving me? Why the hell you had to lie? Made me feel like I ain't never been dry.